How to insert and send a link on an email or message on Gmail on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Gmail. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click here on compose and you will find this window right here. Now all what you have to do is click here or insert link and add the link that you want to display, for example test, and here add the web address howtomedia.com and click OK. Now as you can see, you can send this as a link to someone on Gmail. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.